Hang on to your hats. Today's lesson, tornadoes. Tornadoes. They are both beautiful and terrifying. They have touched down in all 50 states, and some areas, like Tornado Alley, get hit the hardest thanks to a cold, dry air mass from the northwest, a warm, dry air mass to the southwest, and a warm, moist air mass to the southeast. Let's first talk about how tornadoes form. One of the most important ingredients is warm, moist air at the surface and cold, dry air above. The next ingredient is strong surface and upper-level winds. This clash of temperature and fast-moving air causes some rotation in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. With strong enough updrafts and turn in the atmosphere, this rotation can become vertical and emerge from what is known as a wall cloud, or the base of the supercell. If it doesn't reach the ground, it's a funnel cloud, but if it does, we have ourselves a tornado. Now, what about here at home? Could we see tornadoes? The answer is yes, but don't worry, this far north tornadoes are still pretty rare, and most of the tornadoes we see in northern Indiana and Ohio are usually small. Each year, the state of Indiana sees an average of 22 tornadoes, whereas Ohio can see an average of 19. June is the most active month in terms of tornadoes, with July and May coming in second and third. December remains the only month with 0 recorded tornadoes. So how big can they get? Tornadoes are measured on the enhanced Fujita scale, named after meteorologist and tornado researcher Dr. Ted Fujita. An EF0 consists of wind speeds between 65 and 85 miles per hour. An EF1 of 86 to 110 miles per hour, an EF2 of 111 to 135 miles per hour, an EF3 of 136 to 165 miles per hour, an EF4 of 166 to 200 miles per hour, and an EF5 can get over 200 miles per hour. Can you imagine? Now, as you can see, our local region of northern Indiana and Ohio sees primarily small EF0 tornadoes, with no recorded EF5s in our region yet. Oh, by the way, hurricanes use a different scale. The strongest hurricane level, a Category 5, often features less wind than an EF5 tornado. Of course, hurricanes are much, much larger. Now, what does a tornado watch, warning, or emergency mean? A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornado development, not that one has necessarily occurred. A tornado warning means a tornado has been spotted either via radar or by a storm spotter. A tornado emergency means there's a severe threat to human life or property. Finally, what happens if you hear a tornado siren or get a tornado warning alert? First, head to the lowest level of your home, like a basement. If you don't have a basement, go into an interior room like a closet or bathroom. I know it sounds funny, but I recommend people put on helmets when they shelter in place. You want to protect your head from flying objects. Do not crowd near a door or window, however. That's all you need to know about tornadoes. They can be fun to track and beautiful to see, but remember to keep your distance.